For question 60, again, we are trying to go from this set of shapes down to this set of shapes. And again, you will see that we have three sets of operations. We have the first operation, the second operation, and the third operation. So we are trying to get from this set of shapes to this set of shapes by going through these three operations. And you can see you have two fixed and one of them is variable, and this is how we are going to come to the solution. And what we always try to do is try to leave this operation, the variable one, to last, because that will give us the most efficient way of solving. So since the variable operations are at the top, then it's not ideal for us to start working from the top and working down. Instead, what we should do is use the shapes at the bottom and work backwards, or use the reverse technique. So let's get straight into it. So when we're working backwards, it's always good to imagine four blank places, but for explaining it's easier if we just show the four blank spaces. And just for reference, just so that it makes it a little bit easier, let's just number these blank places: 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we are going to be working backwards now. So when you're working backwards, you see the shape, you come to the operation, and it will tell you which position it should be in. So shape, position number 2, and so we can come here and put the cross in position number 2. The square, come back to the operation, it will tell you it should be in position number 3. So we come straight here and we put it in position number 3. And then the triangle, it's telling you it should be in position number 1. So you come here and you put the triangle in position number 1. And finally, the circle, it's telling you should be in position number 4. So the circle is over here. And now we need to do the same thing with this operation. So again, let's put our 4 empty places just to make it easier. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first shape, triangle, should be in position number 3. So you can come back here and put the triangle in position number 3. The cross, it should be in position number 2. So you come here, and this is position number 2. You put it in position number 2. The next shape is the square. The square should be in position number 4. So you come here and you put the square, and finally the circle by default should be in position number 1 now, as you can see, and since it's the only space left. So now we have this set of shapes and this set of shapes, and we need to determine which one of these is the right solution. And the best way to go about doing that is to just compare this set of shapes with this set of shapes, as we've done previously. So the first one is the circle, and then we just come here and try to find where is the circle in this. And just to make it easier, we'll just number these: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So where is the circle in this set of shapes? We can see that the circle is in position number 3. So our first number is going to be 3. 3 is going to be our first number. And then if we look at the solution, we can already eliminate this one from the potential solutions, because only these two begin with the number 3. So our answer is going to be either this one or this one, because this one starts with a 2 and we have a 3 at the beginning. The next one, let's look at the cross. So let's cross-reference it to the top. Where is the cross? It's in position number 4. So our next number is 4. So it's 3, 4. And just by doing that, we already have our answer. You remember, we only had these two options available because of the 3. And now, because of the 4, we can eliminate this one, or we can confirm that this is the only one that has a 3 in the beginning and a 4 in second position. So this will be our answer. But just to validate, let's just continue to solve. The next one will be the triangle. So we come back to the top. Triangle is in position number 1, so our next number is 1. And finally, the square is in position number 2, as you can see. So our answer is 3412. And like we said, this is our answer, and let's just confirm that to be the case. So 3412 is indeed the correct answer.